day 7 of a arm lift, armpit lift and a breast lift at Nordesthetics clinic in Lithuania. I'm feeling really positive today. My husband and son came last night, so yeah, I feel really great. We had a really nice meal, used Bolt again, brilliant, delivered to the front door of Nords, so really easy. They've gone off for the day exploring and I'm about to go for my first tape change. I'm nervous, but it's a chance to see my surgeon, ask a load of questions, and also I'm having my next LDM as well. I've even got makeup on today. In 7 days, this is the first time I've got a bit of makeup on. Not a lot, just a little bit of Eborian CC cream, just so that I feel a bit more alive. I've just come back from seeing my surgeon, having my tapes changed, and having my LDM massage. The massage is so amazing, it's so relaxing, 100% book them as soon as you can when you get here, because I left it a little bit late. I could only book 2 extra. So my tape change then, I was really, oh my God, I was so nervous. I had a nurse and my surgeon, Dr. Varkalys, and they both took them off at the same time. Yeah, it's all numb, so you can't really feel anything, so that's great. Oh my God. My arm incisions, I cannot believe how good they look. I can't show you because obviously I'm taped up, but hopefully in the next week or 2 I'll be able to give you a proper good look. I was expecting the incisions to be all puckered and quite thick, you know, where the stitching is, but it's already quite flat. Yeah, they don't look great, but they're much flatter than what I expected them to be. Really surprised. But yeah, I've got an infection brewing underneath my armpits, both armpits. He says it's quite common because I've had an arm lift surgery. And can you see I've got white pads underneath my armpits. I've got to change these white pads daily, and he's given me Manuka honey to put on them as well. They've topped up my gabapentin, so I carry on taking that when I leave tomorrow. And yeah, any issues, I'm supposed to get in touch with my rep. So I've got to send photos to my rep as well. And yeah, he's just so nice. He's so lovely and friendly, very informative, gave me so much information. Yeah, I'm definitely going to be booking him for my 360, hopefully next year. Hopefully. So I'm a bit gutted about my armpits, but I'm so glad that it was picked up now and not when I'm back home. My husband and son are off exploring the town, so I'm going to get dressed now and I'm going to join them. Well, I'm going to go to Acropolis, so I'll take you with me. Camphor coffee, it is so nice in here. It's called the Green Cafe, I think it's called, is it? Yeah, really nice. Got a frappe. I've come straight to bed. After walking back from the Acropolis. I had a really lovely time there. It was so nice getting out and about, fresh air, but I've got really bad back pain. I'm still hunching when I'm walking. I asked the nurse earlier on, I said, when will that go and why am I hunching? And she said, yeah, it's normal. It will ease in time, so don't worry about it. So we stopped off in a coffee shop, which was really lovely, and we just wandered around. My lips are severely dry, so I found a shop that looked like a Boots and had everything in there, so I got some lip balm. Went to Maximus, I think it's called Maximus. It's a massive shopping, like supermarket then, like a massive Tesco's. We got some snacks. We're going to watch a film after. So my last night in Lithuania, I'm feeling very sleepy, a little bit swollen, but I'm glad I went out today. And yeah, I do feel ready to go home actually. I'll see you in tomorrow's vlog.